when we want to start to build a facility, we need to ask for some government licenses, and one of them is the environment preliminary license. Sorry, the preliminary license. We have the installation license, and we have the operation license. At least these three we have here in Brazil. As I told you, I don't know in the other parts of the world. And what are the objectives of this license? And we have to ask them for the government. We need to give information for the government about the pollutants, what kind of emissions, what kind of effluent will be generated for this project. So that's why we need to do that, because if you are supposed to emit some kind of pollutant that is not permitted, we will not get the license. So the first one is the preliminary one. So it means that our project is not finished yet. We are in the preliminary stages, but depending on the kind, here in Brazil, we are federate state, so each state can have its own kind of regulation. And because of that, some states are more stringent than others, and we need to take that into account when we are installing a plant in a site. So as I told you, I need to have the heating material balance to be able to fill the preliminary license form. So this is one of the reasons that I'm reviewing the heating material balance. Another thing is once we get the preliminary license, we proceed with the project, and another license that we have is the installation license. So without the installation license, although I have the preliminary one, I cannot start erecting the equipment at the site, at the field. I cannot install the compressor, I cannot install the columns, and etc. if I don't have the installation license. And once we proceed with the project, we have more information, and we ask for the operation license. And the operation, once in the life of the plant, from time to time, we need to renew the operation license. So depending on the case, it has a validity of 5 years or 10 years, so we need to worry about that. But the operation license, once the plant is already finished and is under operations, is a behavior, or it's a issue of operations. We that work with plant design, I say the team of the plant design, it's not responsible for the operation license renewals.